Median is comparatively simple. And you know how to find the median of ungrouped data. Suppose we have a few grouped data. So we have a few ungrouped data here. Okay, we need to find this one. I already arranged this in ascending order. And if your data collected informations are not in an order, you have to convert it into ascending order. The magnitude be in ascending order in case of median. Okay, and now you know median from the term itself you can understand median is the middlemost value. So what is median? Median is the middlemost value. Okay, so we are going to find the middlemost value. We have learned in your previous classes, I mean last years, that if there are even number of terms, there access two medians. Odd number of terms, there access only one median. If it is even number of terms, medians are n by 2 and n by 2 plus 1 the term. For odd, it is n plus 1 by 2 the term, etc. Like these many confusing terms we have learned. But for Cambridge, it's not only for AS level, for Cambridge, we need to remember only one thing, which is median is n plus 1 by 2 the term. That's it. Median is n plus 1 by 2 the term. Just okay. Now, when you look at this number of terms, where n is number of terms, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 terms are there. There are 12 terms. So median is 12 plus 1 by 2 the term. That means 13 by 2 the term means 6.5 the term. Median is 6.5 the term. It is not possible for us to find 6.5 term. We can find 6th term, 7th term, 8th term, etc. 6.5 term, a number of article or number of terms never be decimal. We got median as a decimal number, 6.5 term. So what we take the 6th term and 7th term. The 6th term is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6th term is 12 and 7th term is 13. Now find its average, which is 12.5 as median. Okay, so unlike what you learned in previous years, here what you need to do is just remember median is n plus 1 by 2 the term, and this is the median in numerical calculation. In representation of data, you have learned using graph, median is n by 2 the term. Using graph, median is using cumulative frequency curve. That means using your ogive, median is n by 2 the term. Using numerical calculations, median is n plus 1 by 2 the term. Okay, this is about ungrouped data. This is all about data. But when the data is grouped with class intervals or with frequencies, like suppose So frequency suppose 2, 3, 5, 4, 9, 11. Yes. Yeah, 1 second. Okay. Suppose you want to find the median of this table, median of this collected info. So here one of the extra thing what you can find is frequency. With the help of frequency, directly you cannot find the median. So you think about OGIV. Using OGIV, using cumulative frequency curve, we could calculate median. We could find median. But there, instead of frequency, we used the cumulative frequency. So median, whenever you want to calculate median, using graph or numerically, either graphically or numerically, you can find median. But there you have to use cumulative frequencies. So remember, keep that in mind. To find median, we require cumulative frequency or numerically. We need cumulative frequency. So let's find cumulative frequency for this table. So when you find the cumulative frequency for this table, first one is 2, it becomes 5, 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 5, 10, 10 plus 4, 14, 14 plus 9, 23, 23 plus 11, 44. And here, when you are thinking about these cumulative frequencies, we must know very clearly what do you mean by this cumulative frequency. Cumulative frequency 2 stands for 0 to 2 comes in number 2. And cumulative frequency 5 stands for 3 to 5. That means 3 to 5 numbers are satisfying 9. Okay, like suppose this is about mark. This is about mark. Okay. When you are arranging the people in ascending order, 3 to 5 people are getting the mark 9. 6 to 10 getting 10 marks. 11 to 14, 11 marks. So this 23 stands for 15 to 23. That frequency range we are talking about. And this 44 stands for 24 to 44. That will be the frequency range that is meant by cumulative frequency. Starting from a point to another point. These many number of terms are belonging to that data. This meant by. And when you are finding mean, median, you know median is n plus 1 by 2 the term. Is it? Median is n plus 1 by 2 the term, where number of terms, we have total 44 terms here because sum of the frequency is 44, which is 44 plus 1 by 2 the term, that is 45. 45 by 2. 45 by 2 is 22.5 the term. So 22.5 the term is the median. Now let's check where this 22.5 comes. In which cumulative frequency 22.5 can be found? In which cumulative frequency we can find 22.5? Among here now? Yes. So this class is known as median class with x value 12. That means we can say median is 12. Okay, so median is 12 there. But if, see here we got, in this case, though there is frequency, we got the median, exact median. We received exact median. But when it is a class interval, when the observations are given in a class interval format, just you can write this is the median class, and you can write only one thing: median lies in this class. Okay. Other than that, you no need to find median using that formula which you learned in CBSE 10th. Is it you learned like L plus F minus N by 2 minus F by capital F, like CF into H, like that some formula you learn now to find median. This is the formula we have used in CBSE 10th to find the median. But you don't use any of this formula, though you'll be getting question find the class where median lies. Or even if you get the question as find the median, you don't use any formula. You just find the class in which median lies. Similarly, mode also. Find the class in which mode lies. So keep it in mind, you can find the central tendency as mean when the information is given as class intervals. In other cases, you no need to find median and mode directly. You have to find when it is given it as raw data without any class. Raw data means directly, number wise, ungrouped wise. There you have to find median and mode. But in case of classes, if it is given as class intervals like 0 to 10, 10 to 20, etc. In such case, you can say median lies in this class interval or mode lies in that class interval. That's it. Other than that, no answer for that. Okay. And to find the median graphically, we use ogive, cumulative frequency curve. To find the mode graphically, we use, suppose you want to find mode. How do you find the mode for this class, for this group? Mode. For mode, remember, no, highest frequency, numerically. So numerically, for this, to find the mode, we have to use highest frequency. Highest frequency is 15. So this is model class. And mode will be 12. It's very simple. Yes, you have to find out where is the highest frequency. Its class, its value will be the mode. Okay. Now I'm giving it as class interval. With frequencies. Now which is the mode? So, because the highest frequency is 15. Yes, but but now for this question, okay, it is 20 to 30 only. But when you go for mode, numerical finding of mode, you need to check the classes. Each and every class interval, you need to verify whether they have equal size. You have to verify whether the width of the classes are equal. The width of this class. How do you find the width? Difference between highest and lowest. That means range. Normally, what we do is range of each class. 10 minus 0, 10. This would be here also 10, here also 10. So all these classes having equal width, they have equal size. We call it as equal size. If the classes are of equal size, no worries, take the highest frequency. Okay. Hmm. Okay. Now look at this. Is the mode be 15 to 30 in this question? The highest frequency is 15. No? So let's see the width. Here the width is 10. Here the width remains 5. Here the width is 15. Here the width is again 10. So here the classes are having different widths. As the widths are different, what we need to do is you have to find frequency density. Where you learned frequency density, where, yeah, for histogram. For unequal classes, we need to find frequency density. How do you find frequency density? Frequency divided by class width. So when you find the frequency density here, 2, frequency is 2 by width is 10. So you get 0.2. Frequency by width, 7 divided by 5, 1.15. 15 divided by 15, 1. 9 divided by 10, 0.9. So when the classes are unequal, to find the mode, we need frequency density. See, which is the highest frequency density. 1.4 is the highest frequency density. Its corresponding class interval is 10 to 15. So we can say mod lies in 10 to 15 here. So you need to remember three concepts here. The first concept is if the classes are equal, if the classes are equal, take highest frequency for model class. If the classes are unequal, take the highest frequency density, highest frequency density for model class. And the third point is histograms are used to find out the model. Like cumulative frequency curve or ogive is used to find the median. Histograms are used to find the model class. Okay, so these are the main area what you need to look after. Actually, we need to do the problems. To do the problems, I think you need to reach at home now.